Good morning, friends. Amishi Honavarkar. Namaskar. How are you doing today? And happy Independence Day. Well, India's Independence Day today, and on this occasion, I would like to talk about freedom because freedom means independence, and independence means freedom. So, I would like to talk about ourselves. Are we really free? I'm not talking as a nation right now, I'm talking as a person. Are you free? Are you not controlled? Are you not dominated? Are you away from fear? Are you having any excuses, blames, reasons? If you have any of these, you are not free. Because when you have excuses, you will say, oh, I can't do this because of that. Oh, he's doing this, that is why I cannot do it. So that is blame. There is fear. Oh, how will I get there? How can I do this? How can I leave my job? How will how will I get the earnings? So these are constraints. These are blockages. These are stoppages which are stopping you from doing certain things. Well, I'm not saying that you leave your job. I'm not saying that you don't follow routine. You have to follow certain parameters or certain ways of society. But at the same time, you cannot compromise on your freedom. Freedom only does not mean that freedom to speak, freedom to express, or freedom to write. Freedom means exercising your rights. Freedom means speaking for what you feel is right. Freedom means doing what you think is right. That is actual freedom. When you get up in the morning, tell me one thing. Do you think that, wow, it is a wonderful day? Wow, I'm going to be happy today. Do you choose what you want to be? If you can choose and if you can actually do it, then you are free. Then you are independent. Let nobody control you. If you have to make tea for your family or for your husband, don't do it because there is a domination. Do it out of love. Do it out of the feeling of independence. That is where the shift happens, and that is what I'm talking to you about. So let us be the change. You cannot change the world if you cannot change yourself. To be the, to have the change, you have to be the change. That is a very famous thing you must have all heard. So let us start with ourselves, because if every individual changes, if every individual is independent and free, it will get amazing results, amazing success, and the nation as a whole will be successful, isn't it? Let me tell you, friends, life is not easy. The life graph keeps on going up and down, and nothing comes to you easy. But when you struggle, when you come up the right way, that is what will give you a lot of success, will give you a lot of happiness because you have dealt with it. So let us be free to choose even that we are going to deal with this. I fight so many court cases. Well, if I just, oh my God, my court cases, I have health issues. I cannot lament, cry all the time and say, oh my God, oh my God. I cannot be a 100% complainer all the time. If I want to radiate happiness, if I want to feel peaceful, I have to be it first. Then my people around me will also be like that because they will see me as a different person. They will see a different Amishi there. And I have done it actually in my life. I have been through a divorce. I was young and I was shattered and I was depressed. Let me tell you, I was not accepting, but I had to. There was a point that came in my life. I had to accept the change. I had to be the change. I had to accept it and move on. What will I do about my son? How will I fight my court cases? How will I continue my flying career, which I have been in for so many years? And how will I run my house? How will I, deal with relationships otherwise also? So there are a lot of obstacles, lot of struggles, lot of things coming and going. But if we are away from fear, if we are in control, if we choose it, we can do it. Let us be successful. Secrets to happiness, secrets to being successful are coming in this video right now from me to you from personal experience. Let's take the example of the lockdown. This pandemic is on, we are confined to the four walls. So, what did you do in your lockdown? Let me share with you how you can turn the tables by giving you my own example. Well, I'm not trying to boast, but this is an example so that you know how to go ahead in case you are thinking in different ways. It's all depending, it's all in the mind. That is why we have to change our mindset, we have to transform it. It is all the changes is from within, not from anywhere. We cannot blame this one, that one, others. So, first thing, get up with a smile in the morning. Do your small prayers first thing. After that, what I used to do is first finish the cleaning of my house because morning I am full of energy. So the sweeping, mopping, of course I cannot sit down and do it. I have some issues with my legs. So I have ordered for a very nice sweep and mop with that which has a rod. So I don't have to really bend. So you can do that free. You're free to choose what you want to do, how you want to do. Hear the chirpings because you hear the bird chirpings, the parrot, the crow, whatever, and enjoy it. Look out at the greenery, look out at the clear skies and smile. Meditate after that. After you finish having a bath, okay, do your cleaning, your organizing, your stuff, and then sit for some time. Be it 10 minutes, be it 20 minutes and say thank you to God, meditate, say thank you to yourself, give a pat on your back to yourself for the things that you have achieved. So start the day with positivity, with work and energy. And later on, suppose, for example, if you're working, you start your work. Be grateful that you have got your job on, even in lockdown, that you are not jobless. If you are at home, if you're a housewife, then you do your cooking or your other tasks because a housewife also does multitasking. And do not lower yourself ever. Whatever you do, you have to respect yourself first, then only will others respect you. So in your job as a housewife, you have to put it in your mind that you are managing the show. Your entire house is dependent on you. It's not that you are dependent on your husband or your children. You are making that situation where they can be independent, right? So you are contributing towards their independence. So change your mindset and always be smiling, be happy, no matter what the situation is. Radiate positivity. While you are cooking, you can sing, you have the freedom to sing, okay? While you are removing a spoon, you can even dance, it's okay for just few seconds, but be happy. Whatever you are cooking, make it with love, with happiness. If you are working, do your work with happiness, with peace, and set yourself free. The other thing that I want to stress upon is that do not let fear overpower you. In no circumstances you should get afraid of anybody or anything. That is how you get your freedom. And later on, once you finish your, maybe your cooking, cleaning, you can start your hobbies. You can maybe sing, which I do. You can paint. I actually did a lot of sketching and painting in the lockdown period. If possible, I'll post it today. Maybe one or two of my landscape painting or my sketching, and you can also do some online classes because online there is nothing to stop you. You can watch your YouTube or your Facebook and use it for educational purposes. For example, I started doing YouTube videos. Today I think I have made approximately 90 to 100 videos. So I learned earlier I used to take a camera and focus and talk and again take, retake because I didn't know. Now I have ordered a tripod stand. Right now, today is my first day on my tripod stand and I'm here standing here free of everything. I don't need to hold the camera and talk to you. So this is how, and in small things, enjoy your freedom. These small things will help you to, be happy, successful. And whatever you like, for example, right now I'm talking to you. I'm very honest. I'm telling you what is the truth. So I don't have a script right now in front of me. I don't have to do takes and retakes today because I have decided to be independent of everything. So there is no fear. that will the audience like this, will they not? Well, if they don't like it, fine, they will not like or subscribe. If they like it, they will do it on their own, but at least I'm doing what I love. So I created the YouTube videos. I learned so much online. There were times when I was awake the full night because I was researching, and I'm sure the research will show you the results. If you see the 90 videos that I have made, earlier they were bad, they were not so good, and I'm improving day by day. Well, I'm guaranteeing you it will be more better. I will reach that stage, and you will see me as a successful YouTuber because you are the ones who will support me. You are the ones who are going to vote for me by clicking the subscribe button. Will you do it? I'm sure you will. That's confidence, isn't it? But it's not overconfidence. I will make the content so. I promise you. Friend, another way of being happy is by giving. So maybe, I can't do much, but I can maybe, talk to somebody with respect, give them lot of love, give them, few kind words, good advice, maybe help some blind person or a normal person, old person cross the road. What will happen is while I'm doing that act, it will give me a sense of happiness from within. Only when you give do you get. And of course, do all your work with your 100%. Suppose I am fighting my court cases, I give it my 100%. It is like, okay, I have to hit the nail. I have to do it. For that, I have to run around, I have to draft, I have to research, I have to read the laws and the sections, I have to be prepared for the hearing. You have to go through the grind. Only when we go through the grind, we do it perfectly. So have the freedom to choose for perfection. And for the perfection, if you need to put in efforts and hard work, you will put so, but you will put it with a smile and with happiness in your heart. You think the soldiers will like to leave and leave their families and go on these severe conditions in the border to fight? But they do it not only to earn a living, but they are doing it for the society. They are giving back to the society. Let us appreciate their efforts. Let us appreciate the medical staff efforts they are doing. Let us appreciate the sweepers' efforts. Doesn't he come and he removes all the dirt around you within the society? So each and every profession has to be respected. Each and every human being has to be respected. If we give love, respect, and things to others, we will receive in multiple folds. And this is the truth. I've experienced it myself. Yes, I'm not like 100%, Miss Perfectionist or something. I'm proud to say that I knew my imperfections. I know that age is not by my side. Yet, I had the freedom to go in 2019 to Assam Guwahati for the Mrs. India contest. Well, I did not win the contest as I was not the number one who got the crown because I was the eldest person there. But I did win a subtitle. And am I not happy? That little crown that I got, the sash that I got, and more than anything, I got the freedom to do what I did, and I enjoyed every bit of it. I enjoyed the experience. All you need to do is just that. Be the change. That's what I'm saying. See the change also then. Right? Friends, do not sit and lament. Do not sit and complain. Just be happy. Do what you have to do. Don't worry. There are going to be problems in life. There is no life without problems. And death is the end of life. That is also going to come. Let us embrace it with a smile. Yesterday I saw a TV show where a cancer patient went through chemotherapy smiling and laughing. Can you do it? It takes a lot of braveness, a lot of courage, a lot of guts to do that. Because in the midst of pain, if you can smile, then you have won it all. If you want to smile, you have to make those efforts. You have to change your mindset. You have to change your thoughts. And that is what today I'm going to, and I have already talked about. So can you do that? Not for me, not for my channel, for yourself? Do you think what I'm talking is making sense? Do you think that my experience is going to help you in any way? I'm sure it will help you. Try it out. There is nothing, if you don't try, you will never achieve. Always take risks. Be a go-getter. Take calculated risks. You have to, because if you want to proceed in life, you have to take the risk. So be free to take the risks and be free to get the results also. You may get it good, you may get it bad. If it is bad, think that okay, this is a bad experience that I went through, but I learned such a lot. And if you're getting success, obviously you're going to be very happy, right? So be free from within. Swatantra Divas is meant for that. And let us, if every individual of a nation is going to be free, is going to be happy, then you will imagine that what the nation will be. We are a very, very, Indians have a lot of talent. You see the shows, whether it is India's Got Talent or Indian Idol or comedy shows like Kapil Sharma, or you see the singing, like the earlier it started with Saregama and Indian Idol and things like that. We have so much of talent. Every person is blessed with so many things. God has given us so much. Why are we crying? Why are we, shedding tears? Why are we complaining? Stop that. So I want to see you all happy. I want to see you all independent. I want to see you all free. Please do it for my sake, for your sake, and for our India's sake. I just thank you for watching my video. And before going, 2 lines, okay? Just give me 2 more minutes. Thank you. ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, पहचान तुझी से। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, पहचान तुझी से। पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। जय